I'm not smiling today. Today is for some set of people, and this thing will land on their head today. I honestly don't understand some people. See, if you're watching me for the first time, I love you. You're welcome. My name is Joy Eneghalu, and you're super welcome to today's edition of These Are the Issues. But today's issue is making me angry. This issue was brought to me, and I'm going to tell you a story. A woman takes her son to a barbing salon, right? And she stole the price to cut the boy's hair. And then she goes, hey, isn't all this small thing that she has her own clipper? It's just that the clipper is not good. Let her go and bring it so the guy will fix it. And then she goes to bring the clipper. She brings it back. The clipper is fixed and returned to her. Before the clipper was fixed, she was charged 2,000 naira. And in a couple of minutes, 10 minutes, the guy was done fixing and he gave her back the clipper. And then she goes, so it's because of this small thing that you are charging me. And then it reminded me of something. The particular attitude a lot of us have towards other people's products and services. You always feel you're charging me this thing for this small thing. Is it not just? I can really relate to that story, and that's why I brought this thing with me today. Some people's head needs to be reset, right? In the social media management niche, for example, you come to meet a social media manager to help you manage your page, and then you say, I want 20 customers. I want my page to be on fleek. I want people to be liking. I want people to be jumping. I want people to be hipping. I want people to go pop on your page, right? And then when you're given the price to do all that, you just go, I don't understand. Then you say, is it not just to post? If it is just to post, why didn't you do it yourself? Or someone who makes wig, you say you're charging me just 10K, you're charging me 20K for this small wig. I can do wig, there's nothing in doing wig. Why didn't you do it yourself? So it's very important that we stop this attitude towards other people's products and services. You don't go and tell them, is it not just for this small thing? When people are charging you, they're charging you for their time, for their expertise, for their efforts. That's what you are being charged for. And nobody's time should be underrated. If you can't afford it, that's fine. Just carry yourself, Jelly, with so much pride in your belly and move ahead. Move ahead. Tell yourself, agree with your soul, your body, your mind, and your spirit that you can afford it at that particular time. And maybe, hopefully, in the future, you get to afford it. But to open your mouth wide like a well and say, is it not just this small thing? That's not nice. At all. That's not nice. So let me know in the comment section if anybody has ever done that to you and how you were able to manage such situations. If you are guilty of this particular issue as well, please stop it. Stop it. It's not nice at all. You demotivate a lot of people. You discourage a lot of people by doing that. And trust me, that's not good. That's not good. How would you feel if someone comes to your own product or service and talks that way to you? I'm sure you would appreciate it as well, right? The next time you're being tempted to go that route, remember that joy has a wood that can divide your head in sections. So you just advise yourself to respect yourself that moment. Till I come your way next time.